let's unbox and put together this Amazon pallet fork. I think it cost me about $60 and it can hold up to 400 pounds. So seems easy enough. Looks a little bit cheap, but I won't be using it that much. The plan is to store the implements on pallets and move them around with the pallet fork, and also gonna have to unload stuff from UPS. So they're pretty heavy, but these are kind of cheap. I've used some of these on a bolt-on debris fork, and I ended up having to buy some bolts at Home Depot because these bend easily. Of course, I was using them on heavy trees, and I think these go like this. Okay, simple enough. Okay. Let it go with the bottom on the top. On the top. Over here. One more time. Does it have a hole? No hole. That was a bad idea. Harbor Freight isn't doing the job today. I need to tighten it. Need to charge it a little bit. So there's a lot of slack in between the middle bar. So I'm just putting it close to the edge, flushing it with the edge, and let's see what happens. That one is good. I don't know what. I didn't cross thread it, so I don't know what's going on. Let's try again. Okay, that worked that time. It's thick material, so I'm pretty sure it will work. The only issue is these. I don't like them. But that's anything that's bolted on. They just slap some green paint on there. Okay, that's it. Went to gut it. Fairly easy. Now let's see. We put it on the tractor. This is what it look like. This moves around pretty good, so it's maybe I just didn't tighten it down enough. And I'm off center, but I'll fix that. Well, let's test it out. So there you have it. It works pretty good. If you, well, I'm not that experienced with pallet forks or pallets for that matter, but if you put them all the way to the edge, they should fit in the pallet just fine. Here's the old pallet, and I didn't think they were gonna make it, but it did. As you can see, there's a lot of gap in here, so they slide around a lot. So maybe I just didn't tighten them enough, and because there's a lot of slack, when I tighten this one, it's trying to walk it over to the end. If you notice, there's a bigger space on this side, so it's not even, so you might want to pay attention to it. I forgot the name of the brand. It's just some name, no name or generic brand from Amazon. It works fine for what I'm trying to do. I have a few implements so far. So this is a Kioti CX2510. It's pretty good. I've been using it a lot. If you can see, it's damaged. That's from me trying to cut down trees. I clear a lot of trees, and I use a sun bucket. So I've been abusing that tractor. So that's my box blade, and I'm trying to get it a little bit more organized. And my crab bush hog, I'm just using it to cut down some of these right here. And I have a few more implements down the hill. So that's what that's for. And also have a hay spear for these. I have some goats down there. So that's what that's for. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.